There's all sorts in there. What's that? Is that an old seat of a motorcycle? Oh, you might have to take it out by hand, that one, boy.
It's metal on this side.
Oh, I see. It's not sticking very well. Yeah, that looked like an old motorcycle seat, didn't it? Old motorcycle parts and that.
Wow.
Oh, look at that, yeah. That looked like it's from an old Triumph or something. Hold it up, boy. Yeah, look at that. Any of you bike nerds, let us know what that's off.
That is a motorbike seat.
That is, yeah, it looked like it, definitely. Look at that.
It's heavy.
I wonder